Your car guy here. Today I'm going to be doing the official review of the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado RST with the 6.2 liter. This is the first time a 6.2 has gone into anything else other than an LTZ or a High Country. So as soon as I found out that Chevy was putting the 6.2 liter in the RST, I actually bought one, and this is it. Chevy has put in the most powerful V8 in its class. This guy here has 420 horsepower from factory and 460 foot-pounds of torque. What makes that crazier is we put a 10-speed transmission in. You're getting the smoothest shifts, the most power, and you're getting that torque early on. And the towing capability from this is unbelievable. If you match it up with the max trailering package, you're getting over 13,000 pounds of towing in a 1500 truck. So let's start at the front, because what makes a rally sport trim, that's what RST stands for. I prefer really sexy truck, but whatever you want. The front of the RST is all body color, there's no chrome. So the appeal, the body lines, the inserts, everything is just so well done. So that's an illuminated Chevy bow tie right on the front. I think it really brings everything together and really makes the truck stand out. So under the hood, we've got a 6.2 liter, 10-speed transmission, and this engine here is a dynamic fuel management 6.2. What's special about the DFM technology is it's going to shut down cylinders when you don't need them. When you're at a cruising speed in the city, you don't need all that power. Also, when you need the power, it's there instantaneous because of the 10-speed, and there's also now an auto stop technology that's built in. So when you're at a red light, the engine is going to turn off automatically if you're stuck in gridlock traffic and turn right back on when you start going. While we're talking about the hood, one thing you'll realize, there's no wasted space. We've shortened the hood so we can utilize the truck body and give you so much more space in the rear seats. The crew cab is basically like a luxury limo seat, and the box of the truck is also bigger, all because the engineering was done better under the hood. I was obviously going for a performance look, but I still put on the off-road side steps because to me, just seem like they flow that much better with the lines of the truck. And for those kids out there that are getting in, it's that much easier than the tubular. On the back, we've got two cameras. You might be asking why. One is an HD camera for a backup camera. The other one's designed for trailering. Now that means it perfectly lines up. So you can get your hitch and your receiver, everything to line up. So at the back here, one of my favorite features is the dual exhaust. When you get the 6.2 liter, it automatically comes with a dual exhaust with the polished tips. Now, one of the cool features about the new truck is the release tailgate. So just simply by pressing the button twice, it lowers on its own. Now, one of the things I ordered with the truck was a Chevy tri-full tonneau cover. Now there's many brands that make them, but this to me is the most sturdy. You can stand on the middle of this. I have literally put up my own Christmas lights by standing on the rear of one of these. So they support the weight, but they also don't fade from sun, and they're a lot harder to tamper with. They're just really well made. Now, they're also so much easier to use. So little twist, you've got one up. You wanna go two, you've got two. That took me 2 seconds. For those of us that are in a rush that use their truck as a truck, it means you can do it that much quicker. So we've obviously made the box bigger, and for many reasons. Now you don't need to get a double cab to get a big box. So the truck box itself is bigger, it's higher, it's deeper, but we've also added some toys. This guy here is a 120 volt outlet. So if you're a person with power tools, you can use them now. It's a great thing. The side steps so you can actually put your foot in, that's a good thing. All of these things, guys, are small things that go a really, really long way. Being able to see what's inside your box, that's a really good thing. So the engineers listen to you. This truck was built by us for you. Now, truck buyers, they don't just use their trucks for themselves, they're using them for their families. People buying crew cabs are using them as their everyday driver. Check out how much space your kids are gonna have, your family's gonna have, your crew's gonna have. This is the most rear space we've ever had in a truck. Now, I love this feature. To me, this is the coolest thing. We have under seat storage. Now, the reason for that, you're gonna have odds and ends. You don't want it flying around. You're not gonna put simple, small things in the box for it to fly around. You put it here, it's not rolling under the seat, under your brake pedal, causing an accident. It keeps everything safe, hidden, neat, and tidy. Now, for those of you that like the toys, come check this out. Inside the truck, we've got hidden storage. Inside the seats, we've got hidden cabinets. Now these perfectly fit, ironically canned drinks, so if you want to put drinks in there by all means, but they're for odds and ends. If you want to keep things clutter free, out of sight, out of mind, that's exactly where you put it. So when you're getting a truck like this, you obviously want to go all the way. When I ordered this truck, I ordered it exactly the way I wanted it. I have heated steering wheel, heated seat, park assist. We've also got the leather seating. I've got the sunroof. I've got the universal remote link for the garage door, but I've also got a beautiful 8-inch screen. We've also got the 120 volt, because to be honest, when I'm in my truck, this is my mobile office. I'm doing a lot of work from inside my truck. My laptop fits perfect. It's plugged in there. Inside here, I've got hanging file folders where I keep my receipts and I keep everything organized because really it's my mobile office. And to many of you, your truck is where you spend most of your day, whether you're meeting clients or you're just busy on the road. This keeps you organized. Now, let's start this beast up. Now, my favorite feature to the overall performance of this truck is the different drive modes. So in your driver information center, you've got a cluster, an LED cluster. You can go from normal mode to the new sport mode. This is gonna unlock all the power in the truck. It's gonna shift different, the steering's gonna be different. It's gonna give you the full driving experience, maximizing all that horsepower and all that torque. So one of the features that I love and I can't talk about enough is Android Auto. Other brands have got into it. Chevy's had it for a long time. All you need to do is plug in your device. It's got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I'm a Samsung guy, so I've got Android Auto. They both essentially do the same thing. What it means is hands-free. Whatever your phone can do for simple voice commands, you can now do in the vehicle. So I'll give you a quick example. My Android Auto, when I click on that, it's going to give me the best form of navigation out there through Google Maps. It gives you traffic delays, and it also gives you text by speech. So if somebody texts me, I can hear the text and answer back. And it's not just by phone. You can actually send messages to Facebook Messenger, and you can also send messages to WhatsApp. So any way you want to connect to somebody and keep your hands free, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay has it covered. It's a great tech. GM makes it standard. So Android Auto was designed to do that, but it also helps you with other ways as well. So I'm going to show you something really cool. Hey Google. Hey Google, make an appointment for Monday at 10 a.m. with Steve on a Chevy Silverado RST.
Alright, Chevy Silverado RST with Steve today at 10 a.m. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Okay, it's on your calendar.
Now, one of the downsides when we're trying to make phone calls is you ask for Mark, it calls Mike. Well, Google knows your voice. So if you want to call somebody, it's really easy. Hey Google, call the keg on Gary Street. And just like that, it can actually call anywhere you want that has a phone number listing on Google. Not just in your contacts, but anywhere. You're always keeping your hands off your phone and your eyes on the road. If you want to use your maps, you don't have to stop in a parking lot to use your navigation. Some navigation systems are so complicated. Hey Google, find me the closest gas station.
Showing results for find me the closest gas station.
It's really that simple. Any point of interest, anywhere you want to go, Google Maps, as long as it's assigned, it will find it instantaneously. And you do that all hands-free. I really hope everyone enjoyed the video. Before you guys go, I want to make one thing clear. This truck was my dream truck. I wanted to get this for the longest time. I wanted to get the perfect truck for me. And it seemed like it was out of reach, but with GM's programs right now, it's so easy to do so. So if you're interested in getting a truck or anything like this, get a hold of me. I do the job of everyone from start to finish. Not just the sales job, not just the sales manager job, but I also do the financing. So I can make your dreams a reality like I did my own. Now, for those of you that are watching the video for the first time on YouTube, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. I've got lots of great content coming, including sponsorships for this truck. This particular truck is going to be car shows. It's going to be a lot of different events. I'm going to be doing some serious mods. So stay tuned for the videos to come. Thanks for your time today. I hope you enjoyed watching Mike Your Car Guy, and I hope you guys like my new truck. I love it.